Give your child some money today. Ask them to save a little, spend a little, and invest a little. Then watch how they manage it. How effectively did they plan, decide, and grow that money? Think about it. Often we give our kids expensive toys, gadgets, or gifts. So why not give them something that teaches them money management skills for life? You'll notice something interesting when kids handle money for the first time. Some spend it all immediately, some save everything and feel scared to use it, and a few start asking questions like, how can I make this grow? Those reactions tell you a lot about how money is modeled at home. A lot of adults say, I wish someone had taught me this earlier. That sentence alone should make us pause, because now, as parents or elders, we have the chance to be that someone for our kids. Are you the parent who pushes your child toward a safe, secure job, or the one who encourages them to explore side projects, learn new skills, and think about money beyond a paycheck? The way you guide them now could be shaping their financial future for years to come. Today, we're exploring the rich dad, rich mom mindset and how parents can help kids develop smart money habits, including investing skills from an early age. Let's start with career advice. I know a mom named Edna who encouraged her teenage son to start a small online business. She told him, learn, experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes with money. At the same time, another parent focused on security. They would say, get good grades, go to college, and land a stable job. Both parents cared deeply, but their approach shaped their kids' mindsets differently. Edna's son learned to take calculated risks and think creatively about earning. The other child learned discipline and saving but was more cautious financially. Encourage kids to explore money building skills early. This could include investing, side hustles, or entrepreneurial thinking. Next, let's talk about money habits at home. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki shares how his two father figures approached money. One prioritized saving and working hard, while the other focused on making money work for him through investments. Many parents either emphasize saving or encourage growing money through investments. Children who grow up seeing their parents save diligently often develop discipline and avoid unnecessary debt. Kids whose parents talk about investing and making money work for them develop a strong sense of financial independence. Think about this. Schools teach math, history, and science, but very few teach how money actually works in real life. That gap is usually filled at home, and whether parents realize it or not, kids are watching how bills are paid, how stress is handled, and how financial decisions are made. Start with teaching them with saving and investing. Build their investing habits now, even with small amounts. It builds confidence and long-term wealth awareness. Give your kids allowances. Teach splitting into save, spend, invest. For investing, try kid accounts in index funds. It shows compounding magic over time. One of the most powerful lessons is simply talking about money openly. In many families, finances are never discussed, and children grow up anxious or unsure of how to manage money. In contrast, families that hold regular discussions about budgets, savings goals, and small investments raise kids who handle money with confidence and make smarter financial choices. It's not just the money habits you have. It's how you teach and talk about money that shapes the next generation. So, what's the big takeaway? Every parent has the power to shape their child's financial mindset. Teach discipline and saving like Rich Mom, teach investment and wealth building like Rich Dad, and most importantly, talk about money openly and involve your kids in financial decisions. One simple shift can make a huge difference. Instead of saying, we can't afford that, try saying, that's not a priority right now. It teaches kids that money is a choice, not just a limitation. By giving children small allowances and guiding them to split it, save, spend, and invest, they can start learning about compounding and financial decision making early. Those are the habits that last a lifetime. Tell me in the comments, are you a rich mom, a rich dad, or working on combining both approaches for your kids? If you want more videos on how to teach kids about money, investing, and smart financial habits, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Remember, your child's financial future starts at home today.